How to troubleshoot paper jams in the HP DesignJet T850, T858, T950, XT950, and T918 printer series. In this video, you will learn how to remove paper jams and solve other common paper-related problems. Depending on the problem, the process and time required may vary. Ways to watch this video. This video is also available from the control panel screen by selecting the help icon and then selecting the online help menu in the paper jam screen. At the paper jam screen, tap question mark icon. Tap online help. You will see the QR code and the link for this online video. Use either one to view. HP recommends the following tools for troubleshooting: flashlight, scissors, cotton cloth for cleaning. This video shows how to troubleshoot the control panel notification paper jam. This video demonstrates what to do if you receive the paper jam notification. Please note that the control panel can display two types of paper error notification: paper jam and carriage jam. If the notification is paper jam, follow the procedures in this video until you solve the issue. However, if the notification is carriage jam, then watch the video linked below. This video is unrelated to the carriage jam message. How to troubleshoot a jammed roll. If the paper jam notification appears while using roll paper, try the following steps to resolve the problem. Open the roll cover. Open the main door. Rewind the roll to create a loop. Cut the paper, if needed. Remove any jammed paper from the top of the printer with care. Remove any jammed paper from the main door with care. How to troubleshoot a jam tray 1. When the paper jam notification appears while using multiple sheets of paper in the tray, try the following to resolve the problem. Remove as much paper as possible from the tray. Unlock the tray by turning the rotary switch behind it. Pull out the tray. Remove all paper from the tray if you see any. Examine the printer's backside to see if there is any paper inside. Remove any paper you find. Open the main door. If you see any jammed paper, carefully remove it. Replace the tray and double-check that it is completely secure. Use the rotary switch behind the tray to secure it in place. How to troubleshoot a jam tray 2. If the paper jam notification appears repeatedly while using multiple sheets of paper in the tray, try the following fix. Use the rotary switch behind the tray to unlock it. Take out the tray. Clean the two gray rubber rollers with a damp cloth. How to troubleshoot a jam tray 3. When the paper jam notification appears while using multiple sheets of paper in the tray, try the following to resolve the problem. Push the two buttons on the back of the printer inwards to release the clean-out tray cover. Remove the clean-out tray cover. Examine the printer's backside to see if there is any paper inside. If you see any paper, remove it. Open the main door. Carefully remove any jammed paper from the main door if you see any. Pull the tray out from the front of the printer. Remove all the paper from the tray. Examine the tray's interior with a flashlight to see if there is any paper inside. If you see any obstructions, remove it. With a flashlight, check the paper pickup area underneath the tray. If you see any paper, remove the clean-out tray cover from the printer's backside by pushing the two buttons inwards. Then remove the paper. Replace the clean-out tray cover and double-check that it is securely fastened. Insert the tray once more. How to troubleshoot a jammed single sheet. If you get a paper jam notification while printing on a single sheet, try the following solution. Take the single sheet of paper out of the printer. Open the door. Remove any jammed paper. Close the door. Check the paper sensor. If the previous corrective actions did not resolve the issue, try the following. Off the printer and unplug the power cord. Open the main door. Examine the paper sensor for any obstructions. Check with a flashlight that no paper is blocking the paper sensor between the third and fourth wheels from the right. Use the rotary switch behind the tray to unlock it. Remove the tray. With a flashlight, check the paper sensor from the rear side of the printer. If you see any paper, remove it. Check the paper rollers. If the previous corrective action did not resolve the issue, try the following. Open the roll cover. Check with a flashlight from left to right that there is no paper blocking the roll entry area. Examine the entire width of the printer with a flashlight to see if there is any paper between the gray and black plastic rollers. Examine the entire width of the printer with a flashlight to see if there is any paper between the black rubber rollers and tiny silver star wheels. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.